Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Barrett with your business updates for today. The Caribbean may not have a shortage of investors, but it does have a shortage of projects that investors are willing to fund. According to CIBC Caribbean's Managing Director of Investment Banking, Adam Carter, many infrastructure, energy, and development projects fail to attract financing because they are not considered bankable. In breaking down what makes a project bankable, he pointed to misalignment as one of the biggest challenges. Governments may have one objective, developers another, and investors a different set of expectations. When those interests are not aligned, it becomes more difficult to structure projects in a way that attracts capital.
We've seen where, one party wants one thing, X party is and it goes up for tender. The sponsors who are usually the first respondents submit a bid on the back of, well, we thought it was this risk profile, so I'm going to bid this price, this tenor. And then when you get down into the negotiations, you often see there was a different level of expectation around the risk transfer. So that's where usually things lie, and certainly in our world, it's risk allocation and then economic profile and allocation to that level of risk.
Risk is another major consideration. He explained that large institutional investors and financiers, including those on Wall Street, require clear information about the risk associated with a project before committing funds.
It needs to be measurable. Someone needs to be able to price it, take it to a committee and say, this is what we're buying into, so that you can actually execute on it. If those things are washy, you lose interest, particularly in a competitive market now where money is fungible and can be moved around into other projects. You really want to have that very clear and defined from the outset, to be honest with you, to be able to get the best sponsors, the best lenders, and the best investors into the project.
In practical terms, a bankable project is one that investors can clearly assess. It has defined revenue streams, identifiable risk, and a structure that gives lenders and investors confidence that they will earn a return on their investment. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Barrett.